PSE&G is New Jersey's oldest and largest gas and electric public utility, and our work touches communities across the state. Founded in 1903 and headquartered in Newark, New Jersey, part of our mission is to support the communities we serve. And our company has a proud tradition dedicated to service. One example of this is our Veterans Legal Program. The Veterans Legal Program offers pro bono legal assistance to veterans in New Jersey. Our goal is to help veterans get back on the road to stability, have a safe and stable place to call home, and work towards a life they want to live. Since inception, the Veterans Legal Program has handled over 300 legal matters, totaling more than 600 hours of pro bono legal services. The program is thriving thanks to the hard work of the 38 in-house PSE&G attorneys and 9 legal staff volunteers who donate their time to the Veterans Legal Program. We also could not do what we do without our partners at VLJ, Gibbons, and McCarter & English. We thank them for their collaboration and our shared commitment to helping our veterans.
So what is unique about our Veterans Program is that we, unlike some of our other programs at VLJ, where it is more legal area focused, our Veterans Program really is focused on providing holistic services. So we take our veteran and we see, hey, what's going on? Are there legal issues? Are there non-legal issues? And let's see what we can help with or what resources in the community we can get you connected with. We're really taking our veteran as a whole and making sure that they are accessing any and all resources, whether it's legal or not, that we can provide them with or that we can connect them with.
So McCarter & English has been involved with Volunteer Lawyers for Justice since the beginning of VLJ. And we were involved in helping it begin. We gave them space. They actually resided in our building for a while. And when they saw a need to provide services to veterans in New Jersey, we sort of jumped at the chance to help them with their mission. We were so excited that PSE&G really wanted to be involved and drive the program forward.
Volunteer Lawyers for Justice and PSE&G had approached Gibbons back in 2014 about this project. Gibbons was really excited to get involved in this type of project, especially when we heard about the fact that there's this big gap with helping veterans.
Probably the thing that jumps out at me as a really unique aspect of this particular program is what PSE&G has brought to bear. So the first time I came to visit the Veterans Legal Clinic in 2016, it was housed here in the PSE&G building in one of the conference rooms. I walked in, there were American flags everywhere, that people had brought cookies. It was a very warm and welcoming environment, a very dignity-affirming place for somebody to come and get services when they don't necessarily even want to admit that they need help. And for that environment to exist for a veteran is incredible. For our lawyers to get to be a part of it with PSE&G is wonderful.
The Veterans Legal Project is the first of its kind in New Jersey. I remember back in 2014 when VLJ and PSE&G came to Gibbons to talk about the possibility of collaborating on this type of project. Right away, Gibbons knew that this project was going to be special. And 10 years later, it did not disappoint. It's grown and evolved, and it's something that Gibbons is very proud of.
Ensuring access to justice. It looks like my veteran getting housing. It looks like our tenants not being illegally evicted. It is making sure that those who would probably have the hardest time getting legal services that they need and are entitled to, making sure that they are able to access it and that they are able to protect their own rights through resources, through tools, through representation, through knowledge.
There is so much wonderful pro bono work and so many wonderful pro bono partnerships already, but I think the one suggestion I would have for anyone looking to launch something new would be to really listen, to pay attention to what the unmet needs are in the community you're trying to serve. Think about very carefully and thoughtfully and intentionally what the legal solutions could look like, what a meaningful impact would require from a lawyer, from a law firm, from a legal department, and then think about how to bring those things together and make the puzzle pieces fit.
My name is Darren Thomas Chambers. Volunteer Lawyers for Justice helped me get my final affairs in order. when I had absolutely nothing from a series of unfortunate events. You guys are like almost God sent, like having somebody out, a legal help out there that exists for people that are nobody or considered nobodies by society.
We are honored by this recognition from the Pro Bono Institute, and we're excited to continue partnering with VLJ, McCarter and English, and Gibbons. PSE&G is proud to serve our communities and particularly proud to support those who have served our country through the Veterans Legal Program.